What is the average electrician salary in Latvia? The average electrician income in Latvia is around 28,300 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary, but after tax, you take home $20,900. This leaves you with roughly $1,742 each month. Electrician wages in Riga are higher, where take-home pay reaches $24,700. Living outside the main city drops your costs, which is why a lower electrician salary in Latvia can still cover your bills. An entry-level electrician pay starts well below this level, but pay goes up fast in your first few years. You will hit a wall, though, unless you move into supervision. Getting a university degree adds up to noticeably more money because higher education opens doors to big roles. With that training, an electrician can move up to electrical engineer or master technician. Small firms pay less, while large international employers bring home much better pay. That is why choosing the right company is so important for your income.